In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control F in Apple Notes. This feature is incredibly useful for quickly locating specific information in your notes, whether you're working on a project, taking class notes, or organizing personal thoughts. Knowing how to effectively search can save you time and enhance your productivity. Let's dive into the steps for using this feature on both Mac and iOS devices. To start on a Mac, the first step is to press Command and F simultaneously. This action opens a search bar right within the note you're currently viewing. Once you do this, you will see a small search box pop up at the top of the screen. Here you can type in the word or phrase you want to find. As you type, Apple Notes will highlight matching text in real time. This visual cue is helpful because it allows you to see where your search terms appear in the note. This method ensures that your search is focused and efficient. Now let's move on to searching across all your notes on a Mac. For this, you will need to press Option and Command and F together. This shortcut takes you beyond the current note and searches through all the notes stored in your Apple Notes app. Once you press these keys, a search bar will appear. Here, as you type your search term, Apple Notes will display results from all your notes. This is especially powerful for finding information that may be scattered across different notes. Being able to search all notes at once can really streamline your workflow. Next, let's switch gears and talk about how to search in Apple Notes on an iPhone or iPad. First, you will need to open the specific note you want to search. Navigate to the note by tapping on it in your notes list. Once the note is open, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see a three-dot menu icon. Tapping this icon will reveal additional options related to that note. This is a straightforward way to access more features without cluttering your interface. Once you tap the three-dot menu, the next step is to select the option labeled Find in Note. When you tap this, a search bar will appear at the top of your screen. Here you can enter the text you want to find within the note. Just like on the Mac, as you type, the matching terms will be highlighted in the document. This makes it easy to locate the information you need quickly. This feature enhances your ability to navigate your notes seamlessly. It's also worth noting that Apple Notes can search not just typed text but also handwritten notes, PDFs, and attachments. This capability is significant because it means you can find information in various formats, making your notes more versatile. Whether you've jotted down a thought, scanned a document, or attached a file, you have the power to access all that information quickly. In conclusion, mastering the search function in Apple Notes is a valuable skill that can greatly improve your efficiency. Whether you are using a Mac, iPhone, or iPad, knowing how to search effectively will help you find what you need without wasting time. I hope you found this guide helpful, and now you can navigate your notes with confidence. Thank you for watching, and happy note-taking.